Today I'm making pressure cooker chicken curry. It's tender, creamy, rich with a slight tanginess from the tamarind slices. Done in 30 minutes. It's super easy to make and is suitable as a meal prep dish. This recipe is for 10 to 12 servings. First, marinate 1.7 kilograms of chicken with half tablespoon of salt. This is from one whole chicken and it was cut into quite small pieces. However, slightly larger cuts, about 15 pieces, is a better eating experience. Rotate it to the bottom. Put another half tablespoon of salt and marinate. After the chicken has been thoroughly marinated, set them aside. Now we will make the curry paste. In a blender, cut 20 grams or 4 pieces of chili merah besar, which is guajillo chili. Followed by 6 grams or 8 pieces of dry chili for heat. This chili will soak in hot water for 20 minutes before straining. Next, add 230 grams of peeled shallots, half tablespoon of chili powder, 50 grams or 5 tablespoons of meat curry powder, and 400 ml of coconut milk. This is a light or the second squeeze of fresh coconut milk. I am adding more coconut milk as the curry powder tends to absorb more liquid. Close the lid. And blend the curry paste until well combined and even in color. Like this. Now we are going to cook the curry paste. Place a large wok on the stove and switch on the heat. Pour 25 ml or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait a little for it to heat up. Add 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 pieces of cardamom, 3 pieces of star anise. Make sure they are rinsed before adding to the pan to remove the grease. Then, strip curry leaves from 6 stems and add to the wok. Stir briefly to mix them all together. Add half tablespoon of mixed spices for curry, or in Malaysia we call it halba campur, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Stir until well combined. Now there should be a faint fragrance from the herbs. Add 35 grams or about 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of ginger paste. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. The mixture is getting dry, so I am adding 20 ml of cooking oil, stirring to moisten it slightly. Then add all the blended curry paste. Stir until the curry paste and the herbs mixture are well combined for about 8 to 10 minutes, until fragrant and dry. Continuously stir to prevent splatter. As there is still some leftover paste in the blender, I am removing them by adding 350 ml of coconut milk to the blender and swirling it. Pour out the coconut milk into the wok. Add 125 grams or 1 medium size of sliced red onions. Stir for about 6 minutes or until the onions are well combined and softened. Then add all the marinated chicken pieces to the curry. Stir to combine until all the pieces are well coated. Add 10 grams or 4 pieces of sliced tamarinds or asam keping and 75 ml of concentrated tamarind juice for some tanginess. Stir and cook for 3 more minutes until all the ingredients are well combined. Switch off the heat. and carefully transfer the chicken and gravy into the pressure cooker. I place the pressure cooker pot next to the wok to reduce spillage and accidents. My pressure cooker is 6-liter pot, so that all the chicken curry can fit it. Please adjust according to your pressure cooker size. Next, I am adding 700 grams of potatoes, which will peel, quarter, and soak in water. Half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 250 ml of light coconut milk, and 150 ml of coconut cream, or the first squeeze of the coconut milk. You can just use coconut cream for this step to make the curry extra creamy. Give the pot a good stir until the paste and coconut have combined. Place it in a pressure cooker. Close the lid and seal the pressure valve. Switch it on and set it to the chicken setting or about 15 minutes. Once it is done, release the sealing valve to completely release the pressure, which is when all the steam has dissipated and the sizzling sound is silent. The chicken curry smells amazing right now. Carefully open the lid. As the chicken curry is still super hot, add 25 grams or 3 pieces of cut green chili, 190 grams or 1 large tomato cut into wedges, and 150 ml of coconut cream. Give it a quick stir until well combined. And give it a taste. It's perfect now, but more seasoning can be added if preferred. Immediately close the lid and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the chicken curry flavor to set in the gravy, while the green chili, tomato wedges, and coconut cream cook through the residual heat. Once the 10 minutes is up, our pressure cooker chicken curry is done. Open the lid to dish some out to a serving plate. Garnish with the sprinkling of cilantro leaves and serve immediately. Let's eat! Wow, it is soft, fall off the bones tender. The curry is rich and creamy, fragrant with the herbs and coconut cream, with a light hint of spiciness and tanginess. This will go so well with white rice and bread. Just delicious. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!